This is Kings Park, New York, Sunken Meadow. And this is the bird sanctuary for the terns. And it's been really interesting watching them fishing today. They'll hover over the Long Island Sound and then do a nosedive into the water. And I've watched quite a few of them come up with fish. Now that we are seeing the sunset, the vision of a little bit of light needed probably is diminishing, as I'm not seeing quite as many diving into the water. But it's been really a pleasure to see them today. I guess they're hanging out more at the waterline after people have gone home. Here we go. I thought that would be one of the terns fishing as they're hanging out on the land. All right, till next time. Remember, beautiful Long Island, New York.